I'm Melissa.
And today we are going to burp. Just simple as that. We have 18 drinks and there are all kinds of varieties of drinks, and we're gonna see if we can, how long, how loud, and the best that we can burp.
We're gonna burp.
Yeah.
That's about it. We're just gonna do it.
Do that.
First we got Coca-Cola.
My favorite.
Weak.
That was nasty.
That one was awful.
What was that?
That was like awful.
Yeah, I'm gonna try again.
Wait.
Nope.
No, it's not coming.
I'm going.
This is actually pretty good,
I
actually.
got it all over me.
Root beer. This makes me burp nasty.
Why'd you put the lid back
Sorry.
on?
Oh man, my burps are terrible.
That's terrible.
Dang.
Nothing's coming out.
Root beer's letting me down today.
Yeah, nope. No beer. That's terrible. I can't believe it.
I can't either.
All right. Now we're doing. What is it?
I don't
It's
know.
this like it's like this
Mist.
twist thing, mist, syrup mist twist, new thing. It's new, so this will make me burp.
Definitely sounds like lemon limey. Shut up. It's like brewing. I know it's coming.
Who was that?
Oh my god.
Perfect. That was perfect. Okay, now we got lemonade. We're gonna do it a little. We do a little in that fizzy drink for a little bit. And then this.
Excuse me.
No.
I'm sorry.
Nothing. And nothing.
Dang.
No lemonade. Lemonade doesn't work. Wait. Nope. No. Turkey Hill lemonade let you down. Something came out, but it was weak as heck. Ruining everything. Nice. Okay. Let's do
Your face
this.
helps.
No, never mind. Oh, I hate Dr. Pepper.
You're insane. Dr. Pepper is like
Nope.
the best drink.
Yeah. I keep having one that feels like it's coming, but it's not coming. Wait. Nailed it!
It was as good as the one that I had opening that.
I guess I get to wear a suit.
Oh yes, Nesquik.
Nesquik chocolate milk.
My favorite. I've been waiting for this one. saying. Probably not gonna burp at all.
No burping, everything's coming now. I had to give it a kickstart. That was it. Puns. Pun.
Doesn't milk usually make you burp?
Everything makes her burp. Usually.
Sure, that water before.
That was terrible.
Oh my goodness, they're so weak today.
Alright, was that orange juice?
Orange juice.
Orange juice is good. If you have a sore throat, it helps with your sore throats.
Jeez. The struggle is real. Oh, that side's easier.
Orange juice makes me burp. Nope, I didn't do anything. It's good. Sorry. I got another sip because it was so good. Okay. Oh, iced tea. Okay. I'll do iced tea now. I'm not a big fan of iced tea, but I'll do it. I'm just kidding. Turkey Hill iced tea. That's the best That's the best iced tea, but
Yeah. You done? Next we have sparkling ice.
it's good.
I feel like it's definitely coming back.
Nice. Nope, that doesn't do much. Alright. Apple juice! Right?
Yeah.
This is terrible. This is good stuff, but it's nothing's coming out.
They're so teeny. Teeny itsy.
No.
Teeny itsy baby burps. And next, we have Fanta.
Fanta. I feel like another one's coming. That's pretty good. Yes!
Next we have Pepsi.
Yeah. Coke or Pepsi? I asked you a question. Coke or Pepsi?
Well, Pepsi right now.
Well, it's kind of funny. I feel like the darker sodas make it like a weird burp.
Yeah.
Nope. It was terrible.
I feel like Coke is better for burping though.
Maybe not. I don't know.
Alright.
Not very good. What's next?
Naked!
Okay, well, we just got it because it's so good.
Yeah. I don't know if
So-
it necessarily
We
makes
don't.
me burp.
Yeah, we don't know.
But this is the blueberry boost. I highly suggest it.
Yeah, there's just this was the most expensive one that we bought.
It's so good though.
I'm just gonna drink this whole thing right now.
Probably.
It's not making me burp though.
Nope.
Nada.
Next we have water.
Plain old, simple old water.
Yes! Dang, water! I already won.
Oh. Nope.
Dang it, water.
Nope.
Next we have this Frappuccino.
That's the good stuff. Not much. I like doing this. I always play with it when I'm done.
Spilled some on me. Ooh.
Nice. Coffee doesn't make me burp.
Next we have
Gatorade!
It's ginormous because this is the smallest size that you can buy.
Yes. Single.
Okay.
The small ones you have to buy in those big, what, like 6 packs. Your hair.
No, it's not.
Yes. I'm pretty sure that was your hair, by the way.
I think it's yours.
You just put it in my head.
Mm-hmm.
Little bit.
Not that much.
Now we're gonna kickstart our night with the Mountain Dew Kickstart, and it's, what is it? The black cherry.
Black cherry.
It's the one that appealed to us the most, so yeah, we're gonna be up all night.
Oh my goodness.
It better be good. Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, yeah. This is really good.
Oh, that was like fizz.
Yeah. It's the fizz that does that.
Okay, our last one is fruit shoot.
It's like a kiddie drink. Is it good?
Whoa!
I'm afraid to drink it. Is it like sour?
No. It's like punch, but with like 10 times the sugar.
Holy. Yeah. Sugar like crazy.
Oh, how
No wonder why kids get sugar high.
Oh.
Alright, well, that's it. And
Hope you liked it.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.